target to power trick or treat.
All right, I got a powerful story. 400% gains in Amazon options, okay? And they were weekly options, November the 30th, okay? And this was done in the times of turbulence and a lot of uncertainty. However, what I was certain of is the outcome. And let me show you the story here, people. This is why I call myself the big picture leader. This is something that, let me tell you something, no service out there, no service out there, no stock picker, or they just don't have the skills that I do. They do not know how to read the charts like a big picture leader does. All right, now, so we all started with November the 19th. This is the plan that I posted on November the 19th. Okay, now Amazon did go lower, right? We were going to get in 1542, but Amazon went in lower, and I made an update. But let me show you. So at the time, the options were around about 1,075. These 1,500 calls. These are the November 30th. You can see that that's what they were at that time at 12:47 p.m. Now, those options do fluctuate. And Amazon, if we go to the charts, let me close this. If we go to the charts here, let me go quickly to the charts here. And we're gonna take a look at this. So this day over here, the low was 1,420. Okay, and I told the people that we were going to get in at 1,500. Okay, and what happened was it confirmed, we pulled back, but then we rose like the big picture. But during all this, it was painful and scary to hold for many, but not yours truly, the big picture expert. Let me show you what I'm talking about, people. So let's go back, let's go up to November the 20th here, okay? And this is what I said to the group. Well, we didn't confirm November the 19th, and again, remember I said we went lower, right? Now here it is, November the 20th. I want to show you here in my group what I said, what I posted here. And we got into the options. Amazon, here it is, Amazon, we will be looking to buy the November 30th. 1,650 calls as Amazon gets over 1,500 per option. Now, Amazon at the time was lower than that, right? And I was also projecting the cost because we were much lower. I mean, Amazon was at like 1,480 or something, 14. It was much lower than 1,500 at the time. And I projected what the cost was. The cost will be 900. I was giving already the heads up. By the way, this went against us about 70%. Where I did tell people to hold this, and I held these throughout this. Stock clown laughing at me now. The stock clown, the stock bookie, looking like a joke again. You want to laugh at me? You're gonna lose, man. Anyways, people, I love how the victory came. Anyways, so as Amazon gets over 1,500 options will cost. So basically, here I am, November the 20th. Amazon confirming with the November 30th. 1,650 calls, okay, at $935 on options. That's what the cost was, right? Because Amazon went much lower. When you saw that price chart where you saw the Amazon was at 1,535, right? So getting in at 1,500, the options would be cheaper. So that is what they cost. Now, these options did go against 70% at times. And I did told, and let me show you what I said. This is a very special story here. Okay, let me show you. So as you can see here, this is with Amazon, you need to give it room. This is why I chose the November 30th 1,650 calls. Well, 60 now there's an added zero, but it's 1,650 calls. Tons to make here based on the signal. Need to give the options at least a 50 to 60% stop. This had 130. Anyways, I was explaining. Long story short, you can pause it. I was explaining the big picture. Okay. And what was happening, okay? To make big gains, I said, but this really big gains like this requires big picture leadership skills. Everyone wants to catch 500%, but cannot be afraid to lose 50 to 60% trying to do so. When you catch one winner like this, it puts... Anyways, people, I explained the story, like, because we weren't making money. You know, things were going against us at the time. You know what I'm saying? But I'm the picture leader. So Amazon above, and here I'm talking about, don't worry, explaining, Amazon is a $4. I'll explain. It wasn't doing good for us in the beginning. I assure you this. Now, here I am, Amazon, back over 15, laughing at the stock clown. Again, who had the last laugh again? Me. I'm the big picture leader. That's who had the last laugh. Okay? Give me a sec here, people. So here I am. Amazon is simply a hold, no matter what trade, as long as 1500 holds. So basically, I'm reaffirming the big picture on Amazon. Let me show you the close today. Let's show it for document purposes. Let's go quickly to the close here. And here I have the calls up here. Here are the 1,650 calls, 1,650. As you can see, they went up 1,102% today. But for us, because of what we paid for them, we only received 400% gains. The options closed around 30, it says 3,600 close, but they hit a high of $3,800 today. Okay, so $900 options, 9 times 4, okay, greater than 400% gains. Okay, people, I want you to comprehend that. What I explained is what I delivered. I have this experience. I understand market dynamics, but it's about being right, the big picture, not the little blips and pops. That's scalper. That's baby stock bookie, loser, clownish thinking. Most people out there who are on CNBC. I'm on a whole different level, people. And I've proven this again in Amazon. What a glorified day again for me. I document this in my live streams, what I say, the outcome of the market. I am the big picture leader, people. There it is right over here. Here it is documented now. You check out the options. November the 28th. That's the close. Here's the close. We hit 1,000. From our entry point, Amazon has moved $177. That's why. And it did it very slowly, though. Very slowly. Or else the options, and the still options are still in play. I want you to comprehend that. I actually rolled into some 1,700 calls at $200. They closed at 1,100 today. I want you to comprehend that. Stock clown! I am the big picture leader. Let me show you some more good stuff, people. You know, come to my live streams. Listen to what my words. You want someone like me to help you. You don't want little pebble traders telling you what to do. You know, they're all pebbles compared to me. I'm a billionaire mindset. I'm going to tell it how it is. Billionaire mindset. Helping little people. Making money in options. Playing with the big boys. Not little penny scalpers. Not penny stock traders. They're babies. I'm the guys of billionaires come to. Power Trick or Trade. What should we invest long term in? I'm going to find you big winners. Stocks. I'm a big picture leader, people. This is what this is demonstrating. Amazon. Crazy moving stock with options. You have to be very good with the timing. I chose the options. I chose the method of holding. I predicted, I projected, I delivered. I feel so, you have no idea that this was a big comeback. And it proves, it solidifies who I am. If you want to get inside of Power Group Trades, study this pin tweet video. See this pin tweet? Study it. Listen to what I tell you to do. Get yourself inside of Power Group Trades. This is Power Target Trades. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Power Target Trades. Welcome. All right. Study this created playlist. Powerful information. It's part of the requirements of getting inside of my group anyways. So giving you the heads up here. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, subscribe to my website. Go to my website, subscribe. You look around, you subscribe. I'm the big picture leader, both health and wealth, people. A metric never seen before. People, I'm making plans. If you bought one option in Amazon, just one option, and you even just doubled your money, which would have been easy with my way. Your $900 going to 900, I'm sure that would help you. Listen, you want to invest in Power Trick, you want to invest in my help. You want to work with me. You want to get into my group. You want to go with a person who has this kind of leadership. The leader. I'm the big picture leader. That means I lead everybody. You understand? everybody I lead. That's what big picture leader means. I give this my title. I am the big picture leader. And I'm going to be shocking a lot of people as time goes on. You'll see. Get in now before you miss more of the boat. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you don't have one, get one. Subscribe manually. If you have one, I'm going to talk to you one-on-one. Let's see what I say. Power Trigger Trade, Sandro here, the big picture expert. Now that we just finished watching that video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to study my creative playlist, a wealth of information. From plans from start to the confirmation to the end result. Powerful, time-consuming videos I made for you to study, for you to witness, for you to grow mentally, for you to succeed. People, we are now witnessing the premiere in health and wealth, my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video! In a circle format. Simply click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Don't forget to like